It has been 72 years since we last graced this stadium. Welcome back to Lansdowne Park.
I see a lot of young people here today. So Lord, I ask you to ask, does God want me to serve him in the church as a deacon or a priest or a sister or brother? What is God's plan for me? Because knowing God's plan for me and accepting it makes us truly happy. Our Blessed Mother said yes when the angel Gabriel came and asked her to be the mother of the Savior.
God has not finished the sunrise, and just look at the area we are today. And some people have been there. Look at Dennis and Jenna. Look at all the people here, just here around. Just look, it's amazing. We can do daring things, and when we have faith,
Help us prepare our hearts to pray.
Loving and respecting our neighbors as ourselves. Please ask God to bless Canada.